Hey Adi, what have you been doing this weekend?
I was dressing up as Claire Redfield from Resident Evil, and I had to do a running shot.
Okay.
Sprinting, probably.
Is it the first time you do running videos? Is this your first running video?
No, not the first, but this is the first that I have to run really quickly, I think, because I had someone chasing me.
Okay, cool. Is this your first Resident Evil character, or what other characters have you played from Resident Evil? Can you remember? Just give me a glare.
Jill Valentine.
Okay. Any other characters you remember? No? Can't remember?
No. Just Jill Valentine.
It's the Ada. But we didn't do a video, we just did a very quick test costume. Alice, you did Alice test costume?
No.
Okay. But Resident Evil?
Not really, because I don't like zombies.
I
They
heard-
haunt me in my sleep.
I heard you bought for your fiance Resident Evil. No, you bought for your fiance a zombie game.
Yeah, because sadly my fiance likes everything that I don't like, which is like cosplaying and zombies and first-person shooter game. But I love him, that's why I buy it for him.
Yeah, have a look at the costume again if we get 10. So this is one of the variations. What's additional is gonna have a knife that goes on your left shoulder. Okay, the knife goes on your left shoulder, a belt, and no pistols today, no guns today, no shotguns. Okay. How long did it take you to get ready for this?
Quite quick, because it's just jeans, a t-shirt, and a trouser, so it's just pretty good.
Okay, cool. Okay,
Thank you.
you can sign up.
Peace out.